In this Java Swing tutorial, we will make an application that includes JOptionPanel. First, I created an empty window. I will add a button to the application. I set the size and position of the button. I add the button to the window. When I click the button, I will make the panels in the JOptionPanel appear. First, I will show the message dialog window on the screen. I can do this using the addActionListener method. I add the showMessageDialog method to the actionPerformed method. When I click the button, the window is displayed on the screen. I can show a different type of window. For example, I will show the alert window. I will publish a warning message. When I click the button, a screen with a warning message is displayed. Now I will create an input window. I can do this using the showInputDialog method. I assign the method to a variable. I print the input to the console. The input can change depending on the buttons I click. Let's do a different example. I will show a window for confirm. I can do this using the ConfirmDialog method. ConfirmDialog is a method that returns a value in the integer data type. I want the application to close when the Yes button is clicked. In order to do this, I need to see the inputs that change according to the buttons. When the Yes button is clicked, the value 0 is returned. If the input is 0, I can close the window with the dispose method. I can easily do this with an if query. When I click the Yes button, the application will close. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.